Hey, hi, welcome to Digit. You're about to witness the unboxing of the new Lenovo Ideapad 330S. It was launched today in New Delhi, and let's see what we've got with us. So as we open it, we see a lot of package foam here. And once we get that out of the way, we'll see the little 14-incher. There's some more foam inside, along with some essential reading material. And here's the power cord. The plastic out of the way. There we go. Shiny new Lenovo, 14 inches. It has the latest generation Intel Core i3 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB hard drive. It's a shiny aluminum finish on the top and a clean look on the inside. Oh wow, someone's already booted it. And here's a look at the power cord as well. There's a power cord, and then there's the power brick. And voila! Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, hit like and do subscribe to our channel. Bye.